8 minus 5 times 4 plus 6. Looks simple, right? But depending on how you tackle it, you might get 30, 18, or even negative 18. If you got any of these, don't worry, you are not alone. Let's see why these answers happen and then we will finally get it right. Before we do, what did you get? Comment below. Now, the first common mistake is that some people try to group these numbers and they force parentheses where they don't exist. So they solve as 8 minus 5 equals 3, then times 4 plus 6 equals 10, and then they get 30 as their answer, which is wrong. The second mistake is that some people just solve from left to right. So they say 8 minus 5 equals 3, then 3 times 4 equals 12, and then 12 plus 6 equals 18. This is also wrong. The third set of people who get this question wrong, they multiply first, but then they don't consider the left to right approach. So they say 5 times 4 equals 20, then we have 8 minus 20 plus 6. Then they add and they get 8 minus 26. And then when they subtract 8 minus 26, this gives negative 18. This is also wrong because the same way we apply the left to right rule for multiplication and division, we have to apply it to addition and subtraction also. Anyone that appears first is what you solve first. Now, what is the right way to solve this? The right way is to use the PEMDAS. So we multiply first. So we have 8 minus 5 times 4 is 20. So this gives 8 minus 20, then plus 6. Now we have subtraction and addition. So we move from left to right so that we have 8 minus 20 gives negative 14. 8 minus 20 gives negative 12, sorry. So 8 minus 20 gives negative 12, then negative 12 plus 6 gives negative 6. And this is the right way to solve it. When multiplication and division appear in the same question, you solve from left to right. When addition and subtraction also appear in the same question, you solve from left to right. So if you got 30, 18, or negative 18 before, there ain't wrong for trying. You just keep the rule that keeps math fair. So always follow the order of operation, and when operation are equal in rank like multiplication and division and subtraction and addition, you solve from left to right. So I put it to you, what was your first answer? Drop it in the comments and be sincere. And if you love fun math challenges like this, make sure to subscribe for more. See you in the next video.